Welcome to New Car Latest Update. Today, we're exploring one of the most exciting releases in the motorhome world, the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile haven for modern travelers, bringing together luxury, technology, and practicality in one sleek package. If you're passionate about life on the road, this is a video you won't want to miss. Let's take a closer look at what the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome has to offer. Volkswagen has outdone itself with the design of the 2025 Motorhome. Its streamlined body and aerodynamic shape make it stand out among traditional motorhomes. Unlike boxy designs we're used to, this model embraces a modern, sleek appearance with a focus on energy efficiency and stability on the road. The front end has a distinctive VW grille and headlights that give it a bold look, while the side profile remains clean and minimalistic. The exterior also includes smart storage solutions. There's a retractable awning on one side, built-in roof racks for extra gear, and a rear storage compartment large enough to hold everything from bikes to camping gear. It's clear that this motorhome was built with travelers in mind, offering convenience without compromising on style. Stepping inside, the 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome feels like entering a compact yet luxurious apartment. Volkswagen has focused heavily on creating a cozy, yet functional space. You'll find premium materials throughout, from the seats to the cabinetry. The main living area includes a spacious dining setup, which can convert into additional sleeping quarters if needed. With a focus on maximizing space, every area serves multiple purposes to accommodate up to 4 travelers comfortably. The kitchenette features a high-end induction stove, a built-in microwave, a compact fridge, and plenty of storage for your cooking essentials. It's designed for easy meal prep while on the go, so you won't have to sacrifice cooking options even in remote locations. The bathroom area is another impressive feature. It includes a compact shower, a toilet, and a vanity, all ergonomically designed for ease of use without taking up much space. Volkswagen has truly thought of everything to make this feel like a real home. Volkswagen has integrated smart technology throughout the 2025 motorhome to make life on the road as seamless as possible. At the heart of it is a central control tablet mounted on the dashboard, allowing you to monitor and control all of the vehicle's systems, from temperature and lighting to battery levels. There's also built-in Wi-Fi and 5G connectivity, which is a game changer for digital nomads or anyone needing reliable internet while traveling. Whether you're working remotely or streaming movies for a night in, Volkswagen's high-speed connectivity makes it easy to stay connected. The motorhome also features an advanced navigation system that accounts for the vehicle's size, so you can avoid narrow roads or low bridges. This system is built with long-distance travelers in mind and can suggest fuel-efficient routes, RV parks, and even scenic viewpoints. The 2025 Volkswagen Motorhome offers a unique powertrain setup, including options for both traditional fuel and a hybrid model, with rumors of an all-electric version coming soon. The hybrid variant combines. Thanks for watching.